Buenos dias, amigo all over the globe. Dito na yun sa ating project, Anyana Andeltansa, at mag-update ng ating Tokyo model. This is a single firewall property. Located po ito sa ating B-Parks. Dito po sa bagong project natin ng Anyana Andeltansa. Nasa Bel Air West tayo. So this is the model house and the actual turnover. So ito ay single firewall property with a lot area of 100 square meters. Floor area 100, 7.35, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathroom. Kasya ng 2 sasakyan. Alright, so maganda ang design because smart yung design at ang layout free-flowing. Plus, you have a bedroom on the ground floor. Then aside from that, so we have amenities, no? So we have a swimming pool, we have a clubhouse, plus you have a church, jogging path, and the corporate center dito po sa loob ng Anyana Andeltansa. Alright, total contract price for the Tokyo model house, 8,300,000 plus pesos. 15% down payment payable for 18 months. But right now, may promo ito ng 21 months. Reservation fee for 80,000 pesos. Requirements, 2 valid IDs, TIN verified, proof of income, proof of TIN, and proof of billing address. Yun lang. Then, complete post-dated checks. Alright? So, 8.3 million pesos, 15% down payment. Yung pinaka-down payment nyo, 21 months to pay. Alright? So, we have ready for occupancy and for construction. No, depende sa inyo kung ano gusto niyo po na unit. Now, this is the car port area and itong trellis ay optional. Pwedeng magpalagay nito or magpa-add-on or pwede rin pong wala. Yan. Tingnan natin dito sa loob. Pagpasok mo, you have the steel panel. This is the actual turnover for the main door. Wow! Welcome to our home. Ayan, simple, smart, elegant, and complete. So, the living area. Of course, meron kang bedroom dito sa pinaka-ground floor area. So, you have a kitchen over here and sliding glass doors and a lanai. Plus, you have a 2-meter setback doon sa likod intended for grilling, laundry, etc. No, depende sa inyo. It's a multifunctional space. Yun nasa likod. Then you have the kitchen over here and then the storage above. So this is model house. Then dito sa side na to, you have the shower room. Alright, so kompleto sa fixtures and features. Right. Total contract price ay nasa 8.3 million pesos. Kapag corner lot, magpapaplat muna tayo, no? Kung magkakasya ba yung unit. Now, tingnan natin yung bedroom 1 dito sa ground floor area. So right now you have this is a single bed, right? Okay, then you have a vanity counter, air conditioning unit, and a cabinet from floor to ceiling. So this is the model unit. This is not the actual turnover. So for kayo ng idea, well, ito yung pinapakita natin at least once we turn over the unit, so pwede nyong gayahin yung ganito. Right? So, yung hagdanan mo ay napaka-nice. Ayan. So, you have a glass railings and a metal handrail. Then, the landing area, dito sa itaas, you have 3 rooms and a common bathroom. This is second bedroom, by the way. So, you have bunk bed, air conditioning unit, and a storage cabinet. The second bedroom, ayan. So you have a floor-to-ceiling cabinet, nice wall design, nice ceiling design, and a queen-size bed. First, meron ka air conditioning unit. Then, right here, you have a common shower room. Common shower room, you have wash area, water closet with bidet. Then, this is the 4th room. And right now, you have a queen-size bed and a beautiful wall design. Ayan. For me, no, very practical at tamang-tama siyang property. Maganda dito sa loob ng Anyana dahil wala ditong townhouses. Lahat ng units dito sa loob ng Anyana Andeltansa ay solo houses. We have lot only dito sa loob ng Anyana na open dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architect. Kung mayroon kayong sariling design, pwede nyo yan siyang ipagawa dito sa loob ng Anyana Anzaltansa. All you need to do is to purchase or to acquire a land area. So kapag in-house financing at lot lang, 50% of the total contract price, dapat yun yung inyong naibayad bago kayo bago kayo i-allow ng developer na magpatayo na ng bahay. Pero kung bank financing yun yung pag-acquire ng lot, 15% down payment, once na fully paid na yung 15% down payment, 85% through bank financing, once we receive the letter of guarantee and loan proceeds from the bank, pwede na kayong magpagawa ng sariling design. Pero itong naha-houser natin ngayon, this is a very practical because this is a house and lot package. So lot area 100, floor area 107.35, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathroom, kasya pa ng 2 sasakyan. It's a single firewall property. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. Kailan ba ito ginagawa? Or gaano ba katagal ginagawa itong Tokyo Model House? Construction nito ay nasa 270 working days, not including the holidays, then the Saturday and Sunday. Thank you so much guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. Pwede tayong mag-usap sa Zoom or sa Gmeet or Viber, WhatsApp, and Telegram or Messenger. God bless everybody.